Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 16. This is Section 2.5, Problem 16. It says divide the fractions. We have 6 over 2/3. So the first thing I'm going to do is, instead of 6 over 2/3, let me write an equivalent problem, which is 6 divided by 2/3. That seems nicer. Now, the next thing I'll do is the 6, I would like to write it in the form of a fraction, so it has a numerator and a denominator. And I can do that by writing it as 6 over 1 divided by 2/3. Now I'm ready to actually do the problem. I have it written in a format that I can do. So the 6 over 1, the first fraction, will stay just the way it is. The divide is changed to a multiply, and now the 2/3 will be inverted, or just simply flipped, to 3 over 2. Now, if I multiply, I can pre-reduce here, and I'll just show you that I'll get the same result. If I multiply across the top, numerator times numerator, 6 times 3, I have 18, and then denominator times denominator, 1 times 2 is 2. 18 over 2 I can reduce to 9. Now notice, if I was looking, I can pre-reduce. The 6 and the 2 reduce. 6 and 3 also reduce, but they're both numerators, so I can't reduce those. Only the 6 and 2. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times, and then numerator times numerator is 3 times 3, which is 9. Denominator times denominator, 1 times 1 is 1. 9 over 1 can be written as 9. So I get the same answer by either multiplying first, then reducing, or I still get 9 if I reduce first and then multiply.